Hello and welcome Buhle Betfu to yet another brilliant episode of your favorite show. My name is Nelly Somakanya. Today is a very exciting day. As you can see, I'm at the international departures of King Mswati III International Airport, where we are leaving to represent Eswatini courtesy of Eswatini Air on the Durban July, the annual Durban July Horse Racing Festival happening in Durban. We are just going there to represent Eswatini. As you all know, that also in the country we have wonderful events like the bushfire, which I highlight all over the world. So also in South Africa, particularly KZN and Durban, they have the Durban July as their highlight event in the whole world, well known. So we are going there to represent, and we are going to have an exciting time as we take you through. Let's go. We have just arrived right here in the city of Durban. This is Zimbali Estate, and to be exact, we are at the capital Zimbali. This is a 5-star hotel. I'm talking about 5-star treatment. Right from the walk-in, I felt like I'm in the movies. As I'm holding this key right now in my hand, this is my access card for the rooms. I can't wait to see the rooms, because talk about the ambience, talk about the lovely welcoming and all the class that's here just at the reception. I can't wait to see what they have for us at our rooms. Let's go and do a room tour, because this is about to get exciting. It's the Durban July weekend. Let's go. Hello. Let's see what Zimbali, the capital Zimbali, has for us right in here. I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this room looks, you know? Okay, it just opened. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my God. There's the bathtub right here. I've got my own shower, and that's the dressing room. The amenities are just so crazy. There's literally everything here in one room. I've got my own iron. I've got my own gowns, my sleepers. There's a safe. This is a Zimbali experience, people. We're in Durban. This is amazing. And then we have our toilets here, and we have both of them, you know. And then there's also this one whereby you use water. This is just amazing. Wow. Look at the sink. and welcome, babukeli babuhle bethu. It's yet another exciting day. There's nothing so exciting like what is happening right now here. Guess what? I woke up at Zimbali. This is the day that we've been waiting for. We are here for the Durban July Horse Racing Festival 2024. So now, as we are preparing for the festival, I'm about to take you to the room where I've also prepared my own outfit before Sibangene. We are representing Eswatini. We are here with the Maswati just to collaborate with Durban Tourism, and this is so exciting. Let's go. We are still at Zimbali. Hello and welcome, babukeli babuhle bethu. We have just arrived at the Greyville Race Course. Durban July Festival is all about the racing of horses, whereby people are betting over emahashi abo labacabanga ukuthi atawugijima ahambe embili. It is not only about the horses, but it is also about fashion, as many people grace this place with a lot of fashion and ngomswengo from point A to B to C to D and to E. I can't wait to interact with the people here and hear what inspired their outfits. Let's go and find out what do they have here. Babukeli babuhle bethu, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it's all about fashion. That's one of the things that happened at the Durban July Festival. Right now I'm with these two beautiful people next to me, which I want to find out from what inspired their outfits.
My name is Sanele Mkhize. I am a designer. My outfit was inspired by the rainforest of the oceans, under the sea, the coral reef.
Hello babukeli, my name is Akila Slungelo Mthetwa and I am Zero Tolerance, my designer's model. And I believe that this outfit is inspired by the Durban July's theme, which is Ride the Wave.
Babukeli babuhle bethu, solo sikhona khona eThekwini, hayi tiyakopana ngumjako wemahashi, bugalophu kumadima impela. Lisina selikopa lihashi lapha ubone ngesihlwele nje siphakama njengobabona emva kwami. Sisachubeka salandzelela ukuthi ingabe ngiliphi lihashi vele lentawuhamba embili emahashini la yaye agalophe kubonakala impela. Let's take a short break, because when you come back we still have more for you from the Durban July Festival 2024. Stay tuned. Babukeli babuhle bethu, right now I am having an interview. I'm seated down with the CEO of S13E Tourism, where we just want to find out more about the relationship that S13E Tourism has with Durban Tourism. Anguvusele Nkosi.
Thank you very much. Sibonga kakhulu sivusele kwesivusele nakubo bonke babukeli.
Nkosi, ngicela ukuthi mhlawumbe uqale kutethula Nkosi ukuze babukeli bakwadile igama nje nesibongo nemsebenzi wendako Nkosi.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Igama lami nginguvusi ngwakaDlamini. My middle name is Norman because Sibaneng is Bovusi Dlamini. I'm the CEO for Eswatini Tourism Authority, the organization responsible for promote tourism noma kukhangisa live ngephandle kuze kuthi tivakashitite titeven la kaNgwane. It's a role that I took over noma ngicale nga April 1 kuwo lo mnyaka.
All right, that's really exciting to know, CE. So ngifuna kuva kabandi CE ukuthi ingabe Eswatini tourism, what's the relationship ya Eswatini tourism with Durban tourism? Ukuthi ke i-relationship la kanjena imcoka ngani vele kithi simaSwati?
Siyabonga kakhulu. I think lokhu umcoka lokufuna siku understand ukuthi i-tourism kulukhuni ukuthi ungayenda uwedwa. Kwecala nje kulukhuni ukuthi ungayenda uwedwa ungeSwatini tourism ngekhathi even la kaNgwane. Kuphindze kungeke kube lula futhi ukuthi uyende uwedwa ulive la kaNgwane. So kumcoka ukuthi wakhe lobo budlelwane nemave ngekwehlukahlukana. So siyathi ukuthi ilive la South Africa linema provinces ngekwehlukana. I-KZN ngilenye yawo lecishe lesakhelene nayo silive la kaNgwane. So lo budlelwane lobu kumcoka kakhulu budlelwane bethu ne-tourism ne-Durban tourism ngeke ukuthi si-understand ukuthi bantu labaningi bayakhona ukuthi bavakashele live la South Africa baye eDurban. Siphinde sibabone futhi labanye beta even la kaNgwane. So kumcoka njengoba ngisho earlier ukuthi kuze i-tourism ikhona ukuthi ihambe kahle kumcoka ukuthi emave abambisane. So in this particular case kusho ukuthi kumcoka ukuthi thine sunge eSwatini sibambisane ne-Durban tourism kuze sitobona abantu basuka even la kaNgwane beta eDurban njengoba sibona ku-event yalamuhla ye-Durban July we saw bantu basuka even la kaNgwane beta even la South Africa specifically at Durban. And then the other the relationship iphindze sisite ekuthenini nakithi kusho ukuthi i-mutually beneficial. Nakithi kule relationships lesinayo nabo siyakhona ukuthi sithole abantu labasuka ngala baye even la kaNgwane ngidawubekisa sibuya emicimbini ngekwehlukana even la kaNgwane siba nayo nemicimbi leminye lemikhulu lekufaka ekhathi bona bomhlanga lefaka ekhathi cishe onke ema events ethu la cultural lokufaka ekhathi ingcwala kufaka ekhathi ema events la njengabo bushfire sitawukhumbula ukuthi i-Durban tourism ngulabanye labasilethela abantu bede even la kaNgwane ngaso isikhathi salama events lawo. So lobudlelwane bethu bukahle ngaloko ukuthi kuze sikhone ukuthi sobabili singDurban nelive la kaNgwane ikakhulukade through tourism authority sikhone ukuthi sihambise dona tindzabate kuvakasha kumcoka ukuthi kube nalobo budlelwane bantu basuke kaNgwane bete eDurban bantu basuke eDurban bete kaNgwane.
Babukeli Buhle Betfu was still bringing you more fashion from the Durban July 2024 festival. Sir, how are you this evening?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm great. Can you please tell us your name, surname, and also tell us what inspired the outfit that you are wearing today?
Okay, my name is Zolani Mguzula. I'm from South Africa. I'm a model by profession. What inspired me, like we've been invited in Durban, they said, let's come and jump the waves. We are jumping the waves here in Durban right now.
Babukeli Buhle Betfu, solo busy fashion at the Durban July Festival, and right now I'm with this wonderful couple next to me. Ngifuna kuva ukuthi what inspired the outfit labayigqokile namuhla. Sir, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani wethu?
Ngiyaphila nami bhuti. Ngicela kuva ukuthi what inspired the outfit loyigqokile namuhla?
All right, but usually they give us a theme and a poem, and when the poem came out, I focused on the line that said bright colored explosion of six. Then I've decided to look for a fabric that will have a fluid form print that will mimic the motion of the wave, as the theme said, right, the wave.
Babukeli Babuhle Betfu, as we said, we are still in the Durban July Festival. And right now I'm with the CEO of Municipal Council, who also tells us more about the institution she represents and the relationship that they have with Durban tourism. Sanibona.
Yebo sanibonani ngivusele sonke sive sakamanzini nasaseswatini.
All right, sibengicela udethule kubabukeli babuhle bethu ligama sibongo mhlambe ke nemsebenzi lo wenda khona edolobheni la kaManzini kafisha.
Ngiyabonga ngingisi-CEO Lungile Dlamini wakaManzini and sitelana eDurban July. Si-invite Durban Tourism kanye ne-City of eThekwini. Kuthi side sidolobha la kaManzini asihambi sodwa sihamba nembabane sihamba nezulwini. Kakhulu sakha le relationship yeku-exchange issues of culture and issues of festivals sibuke ukuthi i-economy ingakhula njani through such festivals and kuthi thina nje singimanzini singakwenda lokhu in emanzini way.
All right, that's really exciting, CEO. Angeke ngiyekele CEO singakakhulumi nge-outfit yakho lo igcokile namhla siku-Durban July and you are representing Inkabave so very well. Ngibani lo designer lento lenhle nakangaka, and what's the inspiration in regard kule team lesnayo? You're riding the wave. How are you riding the wave, CE?
I'm riding the wave ngigcoke blue, the wave the ocean is blue. And ngize nginale palette leshoko ukuthi kufanele ukuthi vele ngilagagasini.
Babukeli babuhle bethu solo kubantu bagcwele bathe chithisa ka eThekwini baphume bonke kutobukela umjaho wemahashi solo kusidibana nabo sihambe siyabavusela sisi sanibonani sisabavusela as people are out here for entertainment, fashion and horse racing. Let's take a short break because when we come back we still have more to show you from Durban July Festival 2024. Babukeli babuhle bethu, we are still at the Durban July Festival 2024 where eMaswati aphume manengi kakhulu to see this wonderful event here. Nkosi, unjani this afternoon?
Hi Nelisa, how are you?
I'm all right. I'm so excited to be here, by the way.
I'm excited too. Ngijabule kakhulu. Kumnandi kuba la.
All right, sibengicela ukuthi introduce babukeli babuhle bethu, your name and also what you do, and also tell me more about your experience at the Durban July. I understand it's not your first time, so I want to hear about your personal experience since you started coming here. What is Durban July for you?
Okay, I started coming to Durban July in 2022 and it's been wonderful. I think year in, year out, it's improving. As you can see, the culture, the food, the lifestyle, the fashion. I love fashion. So I'm so excited this year. Anything here this year, it's Ride the Wave. As you can see me, I'm a beautiful shell, navy with the clouds and the dress, designed by the one and only Gayi Semakakule, a local designer, Nelisa, because I think it's important for us to support our own and support our local designers. My makeup was done by Liswati, my hair by Liswati, so everything is fantastic. It's Balenciaga.
All right, this is really exciting. So speaking about fashion, how have you seen fashion evolving in the past 3 years that you've been coming for the Durban July, right from the first year up until now? How has it been evolving? And also for you,
Nelisa, yabona ngendlela ifashion leshintsha, it's moving literally, because in 2022 the theme was show me the honey. We were dressed in yellow and mustard, dripping honey, and last year they said, you know what, out of this world, so sapuma sima aliens, and this year they're saying ride the wave. So fashion is evolving. People are coming out dressed beautifully. Look at you, all white, looking dazzling and beautiful. It's so exciting to see such. And we're so happy to see Maswati. We come here and experience other people's destinations so that we can learn from each other. Lu Julieta, Njengoba Eswatini, and we'll be going there to support our own. But otherwise, the ambience, the atmosphere says it all. Durban July, the Fat Rocks.
All right, that's really exciting. So now coming to the entertainment side of things, because this is really, I can see the environment here is just entertaining. What can you say about the entertainment space as corner la with Durban July, and how can we be able to bring it over to Eswatini? Because we have our events, as you have been saying, like Luju.
You know what I like about Durban July, they cater for everybody. At the Durban tourism, they were playing gospel. We were like, oh wow. When you go to other tents, exactly, Shikabazaya Bafundis. So when you go to different tents, it's different sounds, catering for the different ages, depending which one Utanza in. So I like that. And we're hoping that Swati can learn from it so that we can take the very same culture, take it to Eswatini so that we can cater for the different target markets. It's a beautiful event. I really love it.
That's really exciting. If you have heard it for yourself from one of our own, representing right here in Durban. I can't wait to come back here when Sbangena Fusi the following year. All right. Hi, how are you?
Hi there, I'm well. How are you?
I'm all right. All right, can you please introduce yourself, your name, your surname, and also the work that you do here?
Okay, my name is Zimbali. I'm the brand manager for Durban Tourism, the tourism authority for the city of Durban.
Wow, that's amazing. As the brand manager right now, I've just witnessed from the stage there that Durban Tourism, you've run the marquee that we have here has come out the best. So what can you say about that? What's the dedication, the commitment that goes behind all this work?
Okay. I mentioned at stage as well that the amount of teamwork that goes into this, it's months of thinking about this, it's months of brainstorming and putting this into action. But I think one of the biggest things for us is the fact that this event, the Hollywood Bets Durban July, is one of the biggest horse racing events in Africa. So we use this platform to profile the destination, and this marquee is exactly that. We use it to show our stakeholders, our trade, our media, exactly what Durban has to offer, exactly what the destination has to offer in terms of lifestyle, fashion, music, everything that Durban has to offer. So we're saying to you, come to the destination, and this was our best definition of it and showcase of it. And it's what we wanted people to see, and they've seen it.
All right, and also I noted that you also had a marquee, you also had a setup at the bushfire in Eswatini. So can you tell us about the experience that you had there?
Okay, so our activation at the bushfire was basically a roadshow. It was part of a number of days that we were doing. So we arrived in a roadshow and basically did some parades around Manzini and Babane. And then at each day we ended off at the bushfire festival with our activation. Again, that was our destination promotion activation in the SADC region as a market that we've identified to be a lucrative market for us. So it's basically for us to come into contact with consumers directly and promote the destination. So basically we're saying to them, come to the Durban July, come to Durban, outside of the Durban July, and just see what Durban has to offer for you.
Between the 18th and the 20th of September 2024. Remember to always support local.
Babukeli babuhle betfu, we are still at Zimbali estate this weekend where we're enjoying ourselves at the most luxurious estate in South Africa. Well, it's one of the best in South Africa. Actually, according to the 2017 ratings, Zimbali estate came out number 3 best estate in South Africa. We are still here and right now we are at the beach, the private beach of Zimbali estate. That means you don't just come here as members of the public, but it is only restricted to laba vakashela ngekhathi. Nakhona, when you come to this section, there's all manner of security and all gates. You can't just get here anyhow because it's a high risk area. This part of the beach is the kind la ungabhukushi khona. You just come here to appreciate the beauty of the ocean and just, listen to the currents. Maybe you can put your feet like I've put my feet in here. So let me enjoy myself. I'm still running around here. I want to experience it myself. I haven't been in Durban for the past 5 years, so this feels like a dream come true because I never thought we'll go back to Durban, especially after COVID. Let's go.